Dear children, in today's session, let us discuss and learn an interesting topic. The topic is air. At the end of this session, you will be able to differentiate between hot air and cold air, and also you will be knowing about the air currents. Children, first let us know what is air. We all know air is present everywhere in the atmosphere, and also we know that the air contains mixture of gases in it. The gases such as nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide are present in air. Along with these gases, the air also contains some amount of water vapor, smoke, dust, pollen grains and also germs. The earth is covered by the thick layer of air is known as atmosphere. So we can conclude that air is present everywhere in the atmosphere. Now let us learn what is wind. The moving air is called wind. When the air moves in all direction, it is known as wind. How does the air move? Do you know, children? The air moves due to sun's heat. Due to sun's heat, the air is heated up and it starts to move from one place to another place. When the air moves, it is known as wind. Okay, when the wind moves with a high speed and a strong blow, it is known as storm. Let us do a small experiment to understand hot air and cold air. Shall we do, children? Yes. To do this activity, you need a simple thing, that is a lighted candle. Okay, you light the candle and hold it in upright position. You can see the flame which is glowing upwards. Okay, if you tilt the candle a little, also you can see the flame which is glowing upwards. Okay, if you tilt the candle also, you can see the flame upwards always. Okay, now you try to hold the candle in upside down position. Now also you can see the flame which is glowing upwards. From this you can understand that the flame always moves upwards. Okay, children. Now you fix the candle at one place, stand it, and you can bring your hands near to the flame on both the sides. Then upon the flame. Okay, so if you compare while holding your hands on the sideways, you will not feel much heat. Okay, if you taken your hand at the top of the flame, you can feel some hotness. From this experiment, you can understand that the air around the flame is not much hot, it is cooler, that is equal to the temperature of the atmosphere. If you take your hand above to the flame, means you can feel the hotness. That means the hot air rises up. Do you know the reason, children? Due to its lightweight. When the air is heated up, it becomes very light in weight, so that the hot air rises up. Only if you do this experiment by your own, only you can understand this concept, that is hot air rises up due to sun's heat and the cold air remains at the bottom. Okay, children, so everyone must do this experiment to understand hot air and cold air and also the wind currents. Okay, children, thank you. Meet you in next class.